In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Node.js app on Replit for free, Node.js Free Hosting 2025. We'll start by using an AI assistant to map out exactly what we need, then switch over to Replit to build, test, and publish. This approach keeps things simple and ensures the Run button works the way you expect. Open Google Gemini in your browser and create a prompt specifically asking it to help you deploy a Node.js app on Replit. The goal here is to get a clear, step-by-step plan you can follow. Highlight and copy the suggested prompt text or guidance it provides so you can paste it into your chat. Ask it to be explicit. Request the exact commands to install dependencies, instructions for configuring Replit secrets for environment variables, and how to set up a .replit configuration so the Run button triggers the right script. Replit is great at handling the environment for you, but having these details up front saves time and avoids guesswork. With that guidance handy, head to Replit and open or create your Node.js project. If you see a Start button, click it to initialize the environment. If Replit prompts you again, click Start once more. This spins up the workspace, installs base tooling, and prepares the console so you can test commands and see logs right away. Back in your project, open the Build or Equivalent Project Workspace panel. This is where you'll run the install commands your AI assistant provided, like installing dependencies based on your package JSON. If your app needs environment variables, open the Secrets panel in Replit and add them there. This keeps sensitive values out of your code while making them available at runtime. As a tip, make sure your app listens on the port Replit provides via an environment variable, often accessible as process.env.port, so your preview and published app load correctly. Use the Ask Questions, Plan Your Work tools to refine your steps if anything is unclear. Confirm the plan, then move into the Make, Test, Iterate loop. Run the app from the Run button using the .replit configuration suggested by your AI assistant. Watch the console for errors, fix anything that pops up, and rerun until everything is stable. If your server serves a web app, open the preview window to confirm routes, API responses, and static assets behave as expected. When it's working locally in Replit, go to Publish. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the deployment. Your Node.js app is now live on Replit's free hosting, ready to share.